Integration of trigonometric functions using identities. So the example we're going to use here, we're going to use a cosecant 2x times sine to the second power of 2x. So the process we're going to do here, first of all, is that we know that cosecant equals to 1 over sine x. So we're going to substitute this trigonometric identity in here, and thus we can cancel the second power and the sine to the 2x, giving us the sine to the 2x alone. Now we can obtain the u, the derivative of u, which gives us 2, and then since it is multiplying, it's going to pass dividing, and then we just need to integrate the sine into a minus cosine, 2x plus.
And so for the example of substitution, we have to integrate the cosine of 7x times sine to the fifth power of 7x dx. And okay, first we need to locate the u, that in this case, since we have a direct derivative, we're gonna have we will choose this one as our u. So the u is gonna be sine of 7x, and the derivative is gonna be 7 cosine of 7x. And now we divide the du to cancel. So we cancel cosine of 7x and the dx. So we're gonna have 1/7 of the derivative of sine of 7x to the fifth power, and we just have to use the rule of integration. So we just need to add a 6 at 1 here and divide it by that number and times it.
Okay, so now what we're going to look at is the integration of trigonometric functions with even powers. So in this case, we have cosine with the fourth power in a 2x, and it's multiplying by 5. In this case of operations, what we need to do, since it is an even power, we can substitute it by using the trigonometric formula of cosine to is the same as 1/2 1 plus cosine times 2 to what's inside the parentheses. We'll just close it up, and since it's to the fourth, and normally it is to the second power, what we're going to do is so in this case, what we did here is we separated into 2, and then we put this exact same formula. We put the 1/2 1 plus cosine without the 2 inside, we multiply times what's inside the parentheses times 2 for x. We all put it to the second power. Now, in here, what we did was the FOIL, and then once again, we did to the second power. So we also simplified outside. We obtained 1/4 plus 1/2 cosine for x plus 1/4 cosine to the second power for x. So what we're going to do here, we can already integrate this one, but we once again need to substitute it by this, and since it's originally to an even power, it is possible. So what we're going to obtain is 1/8 plus 1/8 cosine to the parentheses times 2, which is 8x. Okay, now that we obtain this, we're going to integrate it, and this is what our answer is going to be, with the 5 outside plus c.
So we're gonna see the integration of 5 powers. We have this is what we're going to integrate, and first things first, we dig out the tree. And we are left with sine to the third power. So we just factorize the sine. We have sine of 5x times sine square of 5x dx. And well, in the sine square, we use this formula. We just pass the cosine to the other side. And we then multiply this. We are left with this one. And this part, we can integrate it easy. And this one is a complicated one. And we have to identify the u, and in this case it's going to be this one. The u is going to be cosine of 5x, and the derivative of the u is going to be minus 5 sine of 5x. So we just we just cancel the sines and the dx, and we're left with this one. So then we just have to integrate cosine square using this rule, where you just add 1 to the number here and divide it by the same number. So we have there the answer.